Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have some news. As you can see, I am currently 36 weeks pregnant. Yeah, so that's exciting, and I think by the time this video goes up, I would have probably already delivered, or I don't know, maybe I would be more pregnant. Anyway, so welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of making a video where I share my top picks when it comes to maternity wear. Maternity wear is something that's been quite popular for years together, but you know me, I don't like to spend a lot of money on clothes, so I decided to just make do with what I have, or just buy items that I could use later as well as during my maternity period. So that's what this video is about. I wanted to share my top 5 to 6 picks when it comes to maternity wear. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So if you remember from my previous video where I did a best in less haul, that was sort of deliberate for me to buy those kind of dresses which stretch. So that's perfect during your maternity period and even later, and that's why I picked like a bunch of these. They're cheap as well, so you don't feel too bad about spending a lot of money on them. And yeah, this is my go-to dress as of now, because this is one of the only very few dresses that fit me at the moment, and I've been wearing this since I was in my 6th month. Currently I'm in my 9th month, so you do the math. So anyway, so yeah, this is my number one go-to maternity outfit. The second kind of outfit that I would suggest you guys invest in or steal from your mom's wardrobe are these really loose and flowy kurtis. I picked this up from Ajio like a couple of years ago before I moved to Australia, and this has been really useful throughout my pregnancy because it is so loose, comfortable and flowy, and surprisingly it still fits me, so that's great. So invest in a lot of oversized kurtis. You can wear them even when you're not pregnant, and they're great for during pregnancy. The next outfit is actually from Target's maternity collection. It's a midi dress. Again, it's very stretchy. Just for the sake of it, I just wanted to buy at least one item from the maternity section, and that's why I picked up something that I could again wear later as well. And I picked up one size bigger than my regular size. So this is quite comfortable, and again, this is another one of my go-to outfits during my pregnancy. If you're too conscious to wear dresses and don't wanna like expose your legs or something, then a pair of leggings are amazing during pregnancy. Like this really stretchy ones that don't have a very tight elastic band. So I'm sure all of you already have this in your wardrobe. You could wear this with a simple t-shirt like this. You could wear this with kurtis. You could wear this with whatever you feel like, and it's really useful to have one of these in your wardrobe at all times. You don't need to buy a maternity specific leggings just for this period. So there comes a time in your pregnancy when you feel like you have literally nothing to wear because nothing fits. I'm sure all pregnant women can relate. So during times like those, the leggings that I showed you earlier could be like really useful with like a simple t-shirt. And to jazz up your outfit, you can just wear a wrap around you. You can get these in like different prints, colors, florals, whatever you feel like, and you can create a whole new outfit altogether. So that's it for today. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe during this crazy COVID-19 period. I'm safe, thankfully. I haven't gone out of my house in a month except for hospital visits. Otherwise, all good. Take care, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If anyone else is in the same situation as I am, pregnant and confused and like, I don't know, scared, then don't worry, we're all in this together and we'll get through this together. So yeah, bye. Oh yeah, like, share and subscribe.